Hi guys, this is Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Welcome to another video in my Christmas crafting series. Can you believe that Christmas is this week? Thankfully, I'm pretty much done with making Christmas cards to mail out, but I wanted to show you a quick and easy one that I made using a paper pack. So sit back and enjoy some holiday music, and if you haven't finished your cards yet, I hope this gives you a couple of ideas. finishes up this easy card for today. Thank you so much for dropping by. I hope you've been inspired to get those last-minute cards done, and I would love to see what you create. So come join my Facebook group, Crafting with Debbie, and show us your creations. I've left a link down in the description box below. And if you create anything using ideas from one of my Christmas crafting videos, please be sure to post a picture on social media and tag me at hashtag Debbie J's Crafting Corner and at hashtag DJCC Christmas 2020. You can also see all of my Christmas crafting videos for 2020 by clicking on hashtag DJCC Christmas 2020 down in the video title. Here are a couple of other videos that you may be interested in. Thank you so much for dropping by, and remember, if I can make it, you can too.